Origami जो वर्जी करे
The act of folding, much like the blooming of a flower, is a testament to human creativity and ingenuity. Origami, the ancient art of folding paper into intricate forms, invites us to ponder the nature of transformation and change. At its core, origami embodies a static moment, frozen in time, like a photograph, capturing a single instance of beauty. However, in the modern era, we introduce the element of time through the marriage of origami and robotics.
Where we're going to be able to do incredible things, but also at this very massive scale where architectures, things that we need in space, things that can unfold.
It folds back and you don't have to make cuts, you don't have to put screws, it stays the same unified material, just has the folds. And the folds, this memory of your act, it makes it work.
In nature's origami, I think of caterpillars. The origami folding changes the caterpillar moves like this. And as time passes, caterpillars shed their skin to keep growing. You can see time building up, just like how creatures make origami.
You know how you can estimate the age of people by looking at them, and you know how you can see, like, for example, have a good guess of how old a tree is by just looking at the tree.
Origami perceive only the corners of time, existing in non-Euclidean space that the human mind has not evolved to comprehend.
Can we breathe life, or at least the illusion of life, into an art form that was once purely static? Robotics, with its mechanical choreography, bestows upon origami the capacity to evolve and unfold, creating an illusion of dynamic existence.